The devastation was widespread. Damage estimates are in the millions of dollars. In the middle of this devastation, one thing Mother Nature cannot destroy is the support from friends and loved ones.
Just kind of look under there.
The cleanup and rebuilding process is already underway. Deb and Harlan Parnell lost their trailer and just about everything in it. Deb wasn't home when the tornado hit. Harlan was.
I just got in the floor and tried to stay in the floor in the bathroom, the front bathroom. It's just about the only part of the building that's still standing when it quit.
They're not sure how, but they, like most of the people in this community, say they will rebuild. Leanne Gregg, KY3 Action News.